All right. So I'm going to tell you guys what's in this month's box for December. The spiritual discipline for the month is meditation. It's also the season of Advent, so we're combining the two in this month's box because meditation is about expectation and patience, and that's really what Advent is about as well. So we've got this "Come Thou Long Expected Jesus" sticker on the box, which I think is really cool. And when you open it up, as usual, you'll have your master sheet here that will explain everything that's in the box. We'll start out with the mirror cling. We have Psalms 1 through 3 for this month's scripture. We'll ask you to put this on your mirror or a window, somewhere that you'll see it. Use a dry erase marker to circle any words that stand out to you. Do that once a week and then have that be what you focus on for that week and what it tells you about meditation. We have the next thing is this book, A Thrill of Hope. It's a 25-day Advent devotional journal. So it will just walk you through every day of Advent, as well as it includes family activities for the Sundays so that you guys can do it all together as a family. Next up, you will see we have all of the makings for an Advent wreath. You have a wire form in here, you have your garland, your candles for the wreath, and then your Christ candle for the middle. So you will need to put the garland on the wreath form. It's not attached right now, and you'll need to do some fluffing as well to make it look pretty. You can always add ornaments or anything that you want to it to make it your own. But we ask that you use that, and you can follow along with worship. You can use it as you follow along on in the devotional for the family activities. But it has everything that you need for that. And last but not least, we have this really great Advent calendar that goes through the whole month of December. And it's just, well, not the whole month, but 25 days. So just so you know, it was written for families. So some of the things might seem a little childish because it's written for families even with younger kids. You can lean into it, embrace the Christmas joy that makes you feel like a kid again, and do them even if they feel a little silly, or you can modify them however you want. But it's got some really great ways to walk through the month and stay focused on Advent as you do it. So we encourage you to put that on your refrigerator or somewhere where you'll see it, and just walk through those things together as a family every day. We also have put together this month, because we typically don't meet in December in normal years, because everything is so crazy with Christmas parties and Christmas activities and things going on in everyone's life, that we usually only meet that first week in December and then take the rest of the month off. So we'll still be doing that this month, but we've added some Advent at home videos that you can either do together as a family, or if some small groups choose to continue meeting throughout the month, they can use them as well. You'll find them online on our YouTube channel. We'll link them in our newsletter. They'll be on the website as well under Advent resources, and we'll also put links to them in our parent resources for the month. But it's a great way for you to take about 15 minutes total once a week and just walk through what Advent means and get a different perspective on it. Each of the videos have some scripture, discussion questions, and activities that will help you to practice hope, joy, love, and peace. There's one for each week, and then there's one for Christmas Day. So we really hope that you guys will take advantage of that and just have another way of looking at Advent and practicing Advent as a family. So that's it for this month. We hope that you enjoy it. We hope you have a great Advent season. We hope you learn a lot about meditation this month, and we'll see you again later.